Alright, August 16th, 2016. I think we have set a new record for raccoons that come out of the magic bush. There were 5 of them out there a couple of minutes ago. It's Mama and Papa, and they apparently seem to have 3 cubs every year, or whatever you call them. What do you call baby raccoons? But tonight I did throw some food out there, and boy, they found it quick. They're smart little things. They're like little baby bears. But yeah, we had 5 a minute ago. I'm not sure. It looks like there's 3 out there right now. They're nice little critters. Yeah, until they start tearing your house apart. Let's see. Let's get a head count. Oh, there comes some more. Little vermin. Little varmints. A lot of activity at that bird feeder.